Time to change the smoke alarms, and then to change this whole thing here. Took out the old one. The old one is about 21 years old. This is 21 years old, and it is wired with a backup battery, and these are the wires. Before you do anything else, turn off the source of power on this connection on your power panel, and this is it. It came off, like twisting it to turn the thing off, and then we'll have to take out this housing for the because we're going to replace it with a new one. Just take it out like this, and off it goes. So from here you will have to, this is the panel, electrical panel, then these are the positions of the circuit breakers. Got a washer, and then it looks like lights. Dishwasher AC. Where is that at? 26, 24. This one here, and this one here. Turn off this too. And then that's it. This is the new one, and those are the wires. The white one is neutral, the red one is your runner or the transfer wire, and the black one is the hot one. That is the positive. So we'll take the connectors off. Be very careful, even if the connections are off already, we still have to be very careful. Do not touch these wires. Touch these wires. Okay, that's how it looks like. Then all you need to do is connect the other one. So this is the new one. We connected the wires according to the lead colors. The black, which is the hot one, connected to the other black wires. The red one, which is the runner wire, transfer wire, to the red wires, and then the white neutral ones to the white ones. All you need to do is put them back here. Okay, put them inside, and then let's put in the bracket. This one here. Oops. Wait a minute. Okay, almost there. All I need to do is put on the backup battery. It's a 9-volt battery. Okay, here. The longer one would be the positive. So make sure it's not inverted. So on this one, it would be this way. See how it's oriented? The longer one will be the positive, and then the shorter one and the skinnier one would be the negative. And then just put it on. Okay, battery is on, put it on. You will hear a chirp, or maybe not. Then all you need to do is screw it on like this, and then test it. It was loud, and it's ready, and it's done. And it's now good for the next 10 years. The old one lasted for 21 years. This one is guaranteed for 10 years. And see, just replace the battery every year, I guess, or when you hear the chirp. Okay, thank you. This is a smoke detector that is hooked up to an alarm service provider, like say Home Life, Cox Home Life, or ADT and all that, which is connected to the system. And we will hook this up, see how it would affect the other system. The other system is hardwired for just the home, not that one is just hardwired for the home. This one's hardwired for the Cox or ADT or Link, Home Link type of systems, and we'll hook this up. All we need to do is just follow the lead wires from the house. You have red, black, green, and yellow. Red being the transfer runner. Let's see how it looks like here. Then we have the positive one is the black. The negative one is the black, and the red one is the positive. And then communicator line is green, and the yellow line is the alarm line. Okay, the outside line supposedly. And let's try and hook this up following the leads. Okay, this one is rigged. And this is the house smoke detector. The provider, the ADT rigged smoke detector, which is run into this alarm, very annoying alarm system. This is the doorbell. Okie doke, we're done.